Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today we have an exciting and refreshing recipe for you, a postbiotic mango lassi. Lassi is a traditional yogurt-based drink that originates from India. It's a popular beverage, especially in the northern region of the country, and it's enjoyed for its refreshing and cooling properties. There are two main types of lassi, sweet and salty. Sweet lassi is typically made by blending yogurt with water or milk, sugar, and sometimes fruits like mango, strawberries, or banana. It's often flavored with cardamom, rose water, or saffron. Salty lassi is savory and is made by blending yogurt with water, salt, sometimes spices such as roasted cumin powder, mint, and black salt. It can also be garnished with fresh herbs like coriander. Today we are making sweet lassi. For this recipe, we will need just a few simple ingredients. Half cup of frozen mango, half cup of plain yogurt, 1/3 cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of our Koso original. Mangoes are not only sweet and delicious but also fantastic for your gut health. They contain prebiotics fibers that feed the good bacteria in your gut, promoting healthy digestive system. Mangoes are also rich in vitamins, especially vitamin C, which support overall health and boost your immune system. Yogurt is another great ingredient for your gut because it contains probiotics, prebiotics, and postbiotics, which help balance your gut microbiome. Almond milk provides a creamy texture without the adding dairy, making this lassi lighter and easier to digest. If you like a creamy and rich texture, try coconut milk instead of almond milk. And of course, our star ingredient, our koso. This Japanese fermented drink is rich in postbiotics, which are bioactive compounds that support gut health by enhancing the growth of beneficial bacteria and reducing inflammation. Making this postbiotic mango lassi is so easy. You just need to blend everything together until smooth and creamy. This postbiotic mango lassi is not just treat for your taste bud, but also a boost for your gut health. The combination of mango, yogurt, and koso makes this lassi a perfect drink for any time of the day. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gut-friendly recipes and tips. If you tried this postbiotic mango lassi, let us know in the comment below how you liked it. Cheers to good health with our koso. Thank you for watching.